Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Whitebit crypto trading app on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search button and then type in Whitebit to begin your search. Once you find the Whitebit crypto trading app, you can tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Whitebit application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you can tap on the open button, which will open up the app. And now you can sign up to your new account or log into your existing one to start using the Whitebit crypto trading app on your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Whitebit crypto trading app on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.